Just think.
All right, that was a special dedication, and that's all the time we had for that. Thank you so much for requesting that. और without any further delay, वो आवाज जो कि इस घंटे में हर थर्सडे को मेरा साथ देती है, the one and only Mehnaz from Tara Energy. Hello, Mehnaz, welcome.
Hello, Lena. How are you?
Oh, I am just too good. और आज हम कुछ ज्यादा ही good और ज्यादा ही सुंदर लग रहे हैं. क्या वजह है? उसकी क्या वजह है?
We are live. But Nee, I just wanted to make sure that today's show we dedicate it to your birthday.
Oh,
Energy,
oh wow! Thank you so much, Mehnaz. Thank you so much for being on the show. और आज ये जो live चल रहा है इसकी खास बात क्या है ये जरा listeners को बताओ.
It's so interactive. आप देख सकते हैं हम कैसे बातें कर रहे हैं. How we're discussing,
Did you say देख सकते हैं?
देख सकते हैं.
What do you mean देख सकते हैं?
देख नहीं रहे क्या?
I mean जो सुन रहे हैं listeners वो तो सुन रहे हैं. उनको बताओ कि वो देख कैसे सकते हैं.
अच्छा तो आप जाएं on Hum FM and you can see us live.
Yeah, we are on Facebook Live. So इस वक्त आपको स्टूडियो में एक नहीं दो हसीनाएं जो है वो देखने को मिलेंगी. And एक हसीना तो of course जिसकी भी थोड़े दिन पहले बर्थडे गुजरी और वो हसीना जो हमेशा evergreen रहती है और साड़ियों में आती है इतने जबरदस्त इवेंट्स पर.
मेरी साड़ी. Oh goodness.
Mehnaz, you looked so good that day.
Thank you.
I must say that. मैंने बड़ी कम पंजाबी कुड़ियों को जो है ना.
I know हम लोग पहनते नहीं है ना साड़ी ये मसला है.
Yeah.
So I was obviously a little bit cautious, but
I think you did a great job और बहुत कम लाहौरी लड़कियों को इतने जबरदस्त स्टाइल से जो है वो मैंने साड़ी कैरी करते हुए देखा है. Like I saw you, so you did.
Thank you. और फिर वो उसने रेहान स्टेज पे बुला ली. मैंने कहा okay. I did a quick prayer कि मैं जो है ना as I got the stairs I don't want any accidents. नहीं तो हो जाता है.
Yeah.
I was so paranoid. But
no, I was there. मैं
इसलिए I was like Lena,
I was there because वो सीढ़ियाँ स्टेज पे जो चढ़ने वाली सीढ़ियाँ होती है वो सीढ़ियाँ होती है जहाँ पे बड़े-बड़े accidents हो सकते हैं.
Right, and then there's wires and then you just yeah. I'm an amateur, right? तो मुझे इतनी practice नहीं है. I'm sure जो लोग पहनते हैं उनके लिए तो कोई मसला नहीं है.
Yeah, that's right.
But no, it's my new favorite thing now. अब देखना तो.
अच्छा, I have one साड़ी. एक साड़ी है मेरे पास. वो मैं पूरे साल वेट करूंगी किसी जबरदस्त से इवेंट का. In fact, I will wait for your birthday.
Okay, there you go. October 22nd.
Okay, wow.
You have a few months.
Yeah, I have a few months to fit into that blouse.
You look great. No, and you look beautiful too, Lena.
Thank you.
And happy birthday. I talked to your parents in Karachi as well.
Yeah. Dubai.
Okay,
my mom.
Somewhere. I talked to your parents somewhere.
Yeah.
And I'm, glad that you could share with everybody that day, your presents and your birthday, and the cake was beautiful, wherever it was from, the Chanel cake. It was very sweet.
Yeah.
But you deserve it.
It was Manal at Manal Sweets, and she's herself is so sweet.
Oh.
I mean, for those जिन्होंने मेरा birthday cake का picture नहीं देखा, it was like a Chanel designer pink color का. उसके ऊपर Chanel का lipstick था, Chanel का perfumes थे, वो chain लटक रही थी उसके ऊपर. She was very creative. और in fact जो दूसरा नईम अब्बास रूफी जी और नुसरत फतेह अली खान का केक था, जिसपे उस केक पे नईम अब्बास रूफी की picture थी, रेहान सिद्दीकी की picture थी.
अच्छा रेहान की.
नुसरत फतेह अली खान साहब की picture थी. So nice. she did a great job.
Very detailed, very nice work.
Right. So if you're listening in और आप exquisite केक चाहते हैं और वो टेस्ट बड़ा जबरदस्त है. It tasted like rasmalai.
Oh.
It was rasmalai flavor. Yeah.
ये होता है rasmalai flavor cake.
Yeah. She made, and when she asked me कौन सा flavor चाहिए, मैंने कहा choices बताओ. She gave me a few choices and I told her, well, मैंने आज तक अभी तक rasmalai केक के बारे में सिर्फ सुना है, उसको try नहीं किया. So I want to try it, and I love rasmalai. So she did.
Another thing we have in common. I don't know. मुझे तो लगता है, we may have just separated at birth.
Oh my God! You love rasmalai too?
It's one of my favorite desserts.
Okay.
I mean kulfi and that.
Kulfi. I love kulfi too. अच्छा, मुझे listeners जिन्होंने अभी हमें join किया है रेडियो पर या जो हमें Facebook पे पहली दफा देख रहे हैं, उनको शायद नहीं पता कि मुझे लगता है कि और like she said कि शायद हम जो है ना कुंभ के मेले में कहीं बिछड़ गए थे. हमारे favorite songs
very much alike. Very much alike, right?
Right.
जो मैं सोच रही होती हूँ वो लीना पे करी होती है.
Yeah. ऐसे ही है. We are like, she says that's वो उस फिल्म का कौन सा गाना था यार वो मेरा favorite था, and then I'm like यार इस गाने का नाम याद नहीं आ रहा, and suddenly she says the song and I will say कि ओए मैं भी यही गाने के बारे में बात कर रही थी.
So today let's listen just some of your favorite, or I should just say our, but let's listen to some of Lena's favorite songs.
Right.
So, Lena, let's surprise us with your
अच्छा मैं
favorites
भूल
today.
गई थी कि आज मेरा फिल्मी ज्ञान होने वाला है.
आज आपका ही फिल्मी ज्ञान है. You are the star.
Okay, well, the first song that I have coming out for you, और थोड़े बहुत सारे गाने थोड़े play करेंगे.
Play us here.
Tell me what you think about this
Oh
song.
my gosh.
बताओ ये गाना कैसा लगता है?
It is also on my list.
It's on your
It's
list?
one of my, yeah, I really like it. Especially, you know, अगर आप drive पे जा रहे हैं, like in a very scenic, beautiful place. It's a very, the music is Aaron Rahman. He just kills it.
Yeah, दूर से जो है वो
सीन वादिया, right?
कलर कहार के पहाड़ दिखना शुरू हो गए हैं. थोड़ी देर में
यहाँ पे तो सब कुछ flat है. खोलो अपने blinds. There's nothing but we see the highway from here.
I think यहाँ से हमें at least 9 hours drive करके जाना पड़ेगा to the Guadalupe या फिर Big Bend.
Oh, I heard so many great things about Big Bend.
Yeah.
I've never been.
In fact, Big Bend जो है वो शामिल है one of the darkest. In fact, Big Bend is the darkest place in the US.
I heard it's great for stargazing.
Yes,
right?
That's why
No,
it's I think उसका कोई there is a merit. उस पे वो 2 आता है. 0 is the
Really?
darkest ever. And I think उस पे 2. Someone just told me कोई इस तरह का कोई merit है कि जिसमें वो darkest place है.
Interesting.
सितारे
Learned
देखने के
something
लिए,
new today.
galaxies देखने के लिए.
Beautiful song.
So people who are actually watching us on Facebook Live can actually listen to the song as well. So, okay. There's been a technical error.
क्या हो रहा है?
Everything's frozen.
Are you lining up the next one?
Unstable internet connection. Unstable internet connection. Move closer to your router. Okay, let it go. Let's talk a little bit about Tara Energy now. Closer.
It's not working.
और हमारा Facebook लाइव जो है ना मेरे ख्याल में थोड़ी देर के लिए पॉज हो गया है यहाँ पे. So let it pause, and in the meantime, let's talk a little bit
Yes.
about Tara Energy, Manas.
Yes, yes.
Tell us what's happening in the office today and this week. ये
So,
कल में 16 पल में माशा ह्यूस्टन का जो मौसम है, टेक्सास का मौसम आप लोग और आपके क्लाइंट्स कैसे हैंडल कर रहे हैं?
You know what? We are expecting कि Joanna, the upcoming months, July and August are supposed to be very hot.
Okay.
So you see the market prices have kind of, you know, spiked up. Just recently, आज थोड़ा सा we've seen a drop in market prices, but it's going to fluctuate until we obviously get closer to those months. But they are saying, project करें कि August and July is supposed to be a very warm August and July this year.
Okay.
July and August this year.
Okay.
So with अभी तो नहीं लग रहा because I think it's been raining for the past 2 weeks. हर दूसरे दिन it's helping kind of keep the weather a little bit cool, but we're expected to get much more heat.
बीच में I think एक हफ्ता आया था वो 105 का वो feels like 110 वाला एक आधा हफ्ता आया था कि इतनी गर्मी फील हो रही थी लेकिन अब जो है वो it's kind of stabilized.
It's stabilizing but not for long. फिर देखना, you know, next week we are expecting that July and August are going to be pretty warm this summer. So with that, you see the prices being impacted across the board. But still, you know, things can change with global warming. Everything is, you know, at the end of the day, a little bit unpredictable. But for now, that's what we're expecting. Or Tara, I wanted to say thank you again for on behalf of Just Energy. So we have made it to the top 3. Now I'm just waiting patiently. You know, so that alone, I was telling Samia, I was telling Ajay and Samia both that, you know, for me, that alone is a win.
Top 3 mein pahunch jana.
In the top 3. And then even with the top 5, you know, our other sister brands were also participating.
So top 5 mein 3 the aapke sister brands, right?
Yes.
Wow.
And this is our parent company brand, Just Energy, that's in the top 3. So we're very excited to see the results. But I was telling our marketing department that this is already a win for me, for us. I think, you know, and just to see the kind of support that we receive from customers. So I'm counting it as a win already.
When you say the kind of support that you're receiving, tell us a little bit about that. What that
means? They went and this was, you know, by nomination. Customers, our existing customers, they voted for us. So, you know, they had to make that extra step to kind of, you know, raise their hand and and say, okay, this is our electric provider of our choice.
Mhm.
We want Just Energy or whatever their affiliate brands to
Right.
participate to win and also participate and also go to the next level. So for that, we are very thankful.
Okay.
And,
Wow.
you know,
That is
receive
awesome.
feedback
Tell-
from the
tell-
customers.
I would like to talk a little bit about
why
people are standing up with you. आपके customers आपके साथ क्यों stand up कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये सारी बातें हम एक break के बाद करेंगे. And break के बाद जो हम पलट कर वापस आने जा रहे हैं, जो Facebook Live पर हमें देख रहे हैं, they will keep on watching the live. हम ये show off the air continue करते हैं हमेशा. आप नहीं सुन पाते, लेकिन आज आप देख पाएंगे. But that's gonna happen right after these messages. All right, Manaz. You know what? I would like two songs more of my choice, and I want two songs of your choice as well.
Oh, पता है आपको कि मेरे भी जो choice होगी,
I know.
it's gonna be very similar. I won't be surprised if it's on your list. चलो let me.
मैंने पहले से निकाल के रखे हैं.
Oh, okay.
I know which ones you love.
Okay.
So let's take these messages and we'll be right back.
Thank you.
Okay, so now to talk off the air.
Are we off?
Is he like crawling? Hi. Oh, we look nice. We look nice. Did he just crawl out?
Is it still on or no?
Yeah, it's on, but you have to take your headphones off so we can like
Oh,
listen to each other. Yeah. Did he just crawl out? We can still see you in the camera.
Sit back over there. Go back over there.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
So for those who are just still sticking with us, so thank you so much for sticking with us. And this is Manaz. If you guys still don't know, well, everyone knows her. वो इतनी popular है जितने हम FM के RJs होते हैं.
Oh gosh.
And the best part about her show is she goes on at every time. She goes on at the morning drive time show, मेरे show में and evening show में. So tell us a little bit about your experience with Hum FM and working with Rehan Siddiqui.
No, I love it. We've been, Rehan made an announcement in the recent show as well कि हम जो लोग हमारा जो partnership है with Tata Energy, particularly, it's been 18 years. So it's been a very long time, Lena, and it's continuing, and we're continuing to go strong no matter what the ups and downs are. We just work it out. It's kind of like a family type of environment, and I feel that with the team as well. Yourself, Samia, Ajay, Natasha, everybody. Shireen. It's a nice feeling. It's a very warm feeling because I guess maybe we've been here working together for quite some time.
Right.
And
I would like to kind of say something here.
Yeah.
I don't think it's that only. I think it's really your personality as well. Because you've been working with Sharmeen and Samia and AJ, of course. But मेरे साथ तो अभी हमने ये show शुरू किया और हमारी दोस्ती जो है वो इतनी strong हो गई है, and we're like, oh wow, this is awesome.
You're a beautiful person yourself,
Yeah,
so
we'll
yeah,
have
then
you
it's
in the
all
middle.
about energies. Like
Yeah.
you meet people, and when you feel a good energy, it just you take it from there. But I'm enjoying the time.
Okay.
Doing the show with you. I've learned all these little tips and things from Miss Lena, our superstar.
Aww.
And I love the fact that you're constantly looking for, seeking new ideas and innovative ideas and how to take it to the next level.
I love that. Tell us about your TV show that you just started. Because
Yes, I did. I started on Geo Network, so I started a TV
Okay,
show.
so it's on Geo Network.
Yes, Geo.
Congratulations.
Thank
Wow.
you, thank you. I'm an amateur. These are things that I've never done before.
Is
so
it your
I'm-
first TV show?
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
my
first TV show, Jio pe shuru hu raha hai. That's very good. Awesome.
Thank
So proud of
so
you.
much, yeah. And it's I'm learning as I go. Even when I stepped in here, I didn't know. I've never done radio before, so it was a learning process. And even that is a learning process. But I like to kind of challenge my fears. Like I like to make myself uncomfortable. Let's say, because to me, it's like a learning opportunity, and it's not opportunity for growth.
Oh wow.
So
Yeah.
I'll do something, like maybe not skydiving. उसपे थोड़ा सा डर लगता है, but but
I may
I
have
will
a partner. I may have a partner. Today I was discussing with Samia,
yeah.
and she's saying, "यार मैंने भी करना है. मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं
guys
तुम्हारे
should
साथ
do
ही
it.
चली जाऊँ."
No, do it together. It'll, But what I mean to say is that it's really good to challenge your fears, and I think that's very admirable at any level, at any in any phase of life. Like even, for example, if you're afraid of heights and you're challenging your fears by going skydiving, that's still very good. It's all growth. It's all personal growth, right?
Yeah.
So in every way possible. So, बस ये देखिए, so my show there is aired on Geo Network from 11 to 11:30 on Saturdays, and then it's again replayed on Sundays as well. And then here I'm with you on Thursdays from 2 to 3, and I'm with Samia from 9 to 10 in the
Okay.
mornings on Tuesdays.
So
Yeah.
what is the TV show? What is it about?
It's called Community Roundup, and basically it is bringing different community leaders and bringing different diplomats or leaders in the community that have done something either exemplary or have an experience that they would like to share. So hopefully we want to be able to engage other communities so they can also leverage some of the things that we are doing, like sharing best practices, kind of bridging communication gaps between communities. And then we also, a very interesting part of the show is that we also have different hosts or reporters from different areas of North America, from United
So
States
cool.
to Canada. So they give their like local news, and it just helps kind of bring everything full circle.
Oh wow! Does that mean you are like now in touch with all the networking events that are happening all over North America?
I mean, our producer, Mr. Sheikh, he helps out a lot. But yes, we're all collaborating, and then I host it, and then of course get feedback from a lot of the experienced reporters for Geo across North America.
Wow, that's
Yes.
awesome.
Yes.
So we are back after the break,
ready?
and before we put the break on, I have one more of my favorite songs.
Uh-oh. Let me see if you beat me to it. Kaun sa hai ye? Sunna padega.
So hopefully Facebook doesn't block us, because Facebook अक्सर गाने block कर देता है.
I haven't heard this, Nina. Okay, I have.
You have.
Of course I
You
have.
love this song. I know
I
you
know.
do.
This is, I had to hear it like the lyrics part of it.
Right. So you look very good, by the way, on the screen.
I do?
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
मैं ऐसे मेरी तारीफ कर देती
No,
हूँ.
you look really, really good. Okay, so let's have the headphones back on.
All right, let's do it.
So that is Zara Zara Behekta Hai, Mehekta Hai, Chehkta Hai.
Sorry.
And it is one of like my all-time favorite songs.
Is it?
मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं आज मेरा
आज आपका ही तो है.
Right. So I had no idea. So finally, last minute, I'm like, okay, fine. These are the
I'm
songs
sorry.
that. No.
I was like, I need to see her after her birthday.
No, I remember हमने ये discuss किया था कि आज मेरा फिल्मी ज्ञान होगा, लेकिन I never really thought
That I would remember.
कि ऐसा होगा.
होगा और हो रहा है.
Yes,
Awesome.
absolutely.
Oh, I love this song too.
So this is like, I think top 10 गानों की मैं list
Top
बना
10
रही हूँ.
Okay. I don't know what they're saying, but it's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's like whatever. जो भी बोल रहे हो बोलते रहो.
It sounds really beautiful.
I think दिल से कि मुझे सारे tracks बहुत पसंद आए थे.
Yeah.
Especially एक सतरंगी वाला भी था, इसमें मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था वो.
मुझे चाहिए चाहिए.
Of course.
That's like beautiful. Is that on your list?
No,
Can I take it off? your
no,
list?
no. Actually, मैं अच्छा छैया छैया के बारे में मैं एक बात बता दूं. Every time, अच्छा छैया छैया वो गाना है जो मैंने जब ये शो शुरू किया था 4th of January को, तो पहला गाना छैया छैया प्ले किया.
अच्छा, there you go.
So छैया छैया वो गाना है जो पहला जो इक्का है, सबसे बड़ा इक्का है. यानी कि एनी शो एनी टाइम एनी प्लेस मैंने जाके स्टार्ट करना है, मैं बगैर सोचे समझे कि यहाँ पे ऑडियंस कौन है, लिसनर्स कौन है, सो कौन सुन रहा है, क्या मूड होगा, बारिश हो रही है नहीं हो रही, मैं छैया छैया प्ले कर दूंगी, एंड इट विल डेफिनेटली बी अ सक्सेस. सो And that is one of the things that's always great about Chaiya Chaiya. And I said that Mehnaz को भी opportunity देंगे 2 गाने play करने की. एक तो मुझे पता है कौन सा है.
Oh.
ये हवा चलते ही पता चल जाता है कि कौन सा गाना है.
Right?
So tell us about this song, Mehnaz, a little bit.
You know what? It was I remember when I watched this movie.
Okay, before you tell me that, आपकी screen गायब हो गई है Facebook
sorry.
Live से. Okay, you have.
Am I back?
Yeah, you're back. You're back.
I'm back. Okay. तो ये मुझे याद है, ये बाजीगर का गाना है.
Uh-huh.
And I love this song. And उस वक्त कैसेट होती थी. और ये जो था ना, it was like the last track on side A.
यार
So-
मेरी कैसेट में भी ये लास्ट ट्रैक था साइड ए पर.
right? And then I would tell my cousin, there was like obviously there was also okay, I'm giving away my age, but it was with CDs वगैरह भूल जाओ सब कुछ भूल जाओ.
Right.
So I would be like tell my cousin, I'm like I'd tell her, I'm like we'd have turns. She's like, okay, your turn to go and press rewind.
या उसके बाद फिर वो वाले नए वाले आए थे ना वो कैसेट प्लेयर्स जो कि उनको पता होता था जब गाना खत्म होगा वो रिवाइंड हो जाएंगे. वो नई टेक्नोलॉजी में पहला कदम था कि वो गाना खत्म होते ही उसका रिवाइंड रुक जाया करता था. हम आपको फिर से मिस कर चुके हैं लाइव स्क्रीन पे.
Sorry. Okay, miss nahi kare mujhe. Okay, no, this is a beautiful song. One of my favorites from that movie, actually. Lena.
फेसबुक पे भी चला देते हैं गाना है.
Should I tell you my next?
What?
Should I tell you the next one?
Yeah. Which one is it?
Satya.
Okay. Satya. ये तूने क्या किया?
Love movie.
Oh,
Right?
very nice. Okay. I think Facebook को हम इससे ज्यादा गाने नहीं सुना सकते because मार्क जुकरबर्ग बोलता है ये गानों के कॉपीराइट्स लेकर आओ. तुम लोगों ने गाया है तो प्ले कर सकते हो वरना नहीं प्ले कर सकते.
गा भी सकते हैं.
हाँ ठीक है. या वो भी करेंगे. Yeah.
Okay. So do you want me to give you a few of my? I promise you, Lena. This is gonna be in your the list that you haven't. But it's on your list.
It is. You are absolutely right. ये गाना जो है ना वो बिल्कुल मेरे लिस्ट पर है. लेकिन before we go on towards the song, वक्त का मुकाबला साथ we've got just about 8 minutes to go. So you were talking about किस तरीके से आपका जो parent company है it's in the top 3 लोगों ने वोट किया और कंज्यूमर्स जाए एक ऐसा वोटिंग सिस्टम अपना टाइम निकाले. आजकल तो अटेंशन स्पैन इतना कम हो गया है 7 सेकंड 8 सेकंड का अटेंशन स्पैन है. इसमें भी कोई अपने वक्त में से 30 सेकेंड्स 1 मिनट निकाले लॉग ऑन करे उसके बाद जो है वोटिंग करे. आपके लिए आपके कस्टमर्स ने जाके वोट क्यों किया?
Why? Because like I said, this company, especially, well, I'm speaking for the Tata Energy brand itself. This brand is based off relationships and just the community aspect of it, right? So agar aap dekhein, we're so engaged in the community and everything we do across different communities, and we've built long-term relationships, and our brand proposition is that is customer value, and also energy companies to bahut hai, right? Especially in Texas. So we want to figure out hamara competitive advantage kya hai. So obviously our relationships that we've built over years is the first one and the most important one, and then us being a customer advocate in everything we do. So मैं उसका आपको बताती हूँ, like even our products are centered and focused around convenience and flexibility of our customers. अगर आप हमारा customer service देखें, for example, any company that you call of this caliber, this size, you're going to be waiting you're going to call a 1-800 number, and you'll wait there for a good 20 minutes, 15 minutes until you're next in queue, and even then, so you're just the next person on the phone.
Right.
Whereas for us, we have built these my department, my team, we speak over 20 different languages. We cater to the customer need. Jo aapko electricity provide karta hai, that whoever helps you and you sign the contract with,
right,
that's the person you're going to pick up and have direct contact
of
with
course.
If there's any issue. We're not going to push you into the 1-800 line. And that's, I think, what works is that custom white glove service, you want to call it, but basically we'll work with the other departments involved to figure out whatever issue it is and help you resolve it. But your point of contact is directly the person that you signed the contract with. And I think that builds a lot of trust in the customer.
Right. I would call it VIP service.
VIP service, and then in your choice of language, different flexible options on terms and products, and then they have direct access to myself as well. If anything needs to be escalated, I'm always there. So so I think a lot of those things kind of help build comfort and ease, especially with customers that are from the commercial side of the business.
Of course.
Time, time is money, and time is limited. So.
Right.
Yes.
And that's a great approach, and something to to learn from for everybody. So इसी के साथ I think वक्त almost खत्म होने जा रहा है.
बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया.
Yes, वक्त हमेशा जल्दी ही खत्म होता है.
अच्छा.
जितना मर्जी अगर हमारे पास एक सदी भी होगी ना वो भी बड़ी
I
जल्दी
know,
खत्म
that
हो
is
जाएगी.
true. But it's okay. We have something to look forward to.
Life
That's
is
it,
life
right?
is so beautiful
Always
and
look at the positives. Yeah.
exactly, and with people and friends like you and everybody else, I'm surrounded by love. I'm so happy.
Aw, you deserve it.
और इस ये जो मेरी बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशंस गुजरी, I was saying that मुझे ऐसा महसूस होता है कि मेरी जिंदगी में 100 साल ऐड कर दिए हैं
Oh, that's
इस
beautiful.
पिछले 4-5 दिन ने.
You deserve it.
It was
every bit of
amazing.
it.
Thank you.
and
Thank you
I
so
hope,
much.
The next year and years to come are just as blessed for you.
Amin, Amin, Amin. Thank you so much. So last track जो है, it is my favorite song too.
अच्छा.
Yes.
See, मैंने शर्त लगाई. We should have had, should have कोई अच्छी proper bet लगानी थी. I knew it. I
Yes,
knew it. Leena.
yes.
I told you before I even picked the song.
और ये listeners का भी favorite song है. ये
अच्छा.
और ये गाने के पहले 3 सेकंड में जो है ना उनको पता चल जाएगा. Play करूं?
Play करो. It's
Okay.
one of my top. Yes.
Here it is. Thank you, Manas, for a wonderful,
you.
wonderful show today.
Thank you, Leena, and once again, happy birthday, love.
Thank you so much. अच्छा ये Facebook Live हम continue कर रहे हैं अगले Thursday को.
If they want to continue seeing me, for sure.
Definitely, I want to continue seeing you.
No.
और ये जो मुझे combo है बड़ा जबरदस्त लग रहा है. बातें मजे की हो रही है, काम की बातें भी हो रही है और entertainment भी
We
हो
can
रहा है.
definitely do it again, for sure.
Alrighty, इसी के साथ
Okay.
thanks
Leena.
you. Have a wonderful rest of your day and thank you for making this day special for me. और
Thank you.
मेरा फिल्मी ज्ञान करने का बहुत शुक्रिया.
Of
पहली
course.
दफा.
Sorry, I came in and I switched everything up, but it was worth it.
It was definitely. Thank you. Take care and bye bye. और इसी के साथ listeners, मुझे भी दीजिएगा इजाजत. हमारी अगली मुलाकात के लिए बेसब्र रहिएगा, बेताब रहिएगा, बेकरार रहिएगा. जिंदा दिलों से दुनिया जिंदा सदा रही है. सो महफिल सजाए रखना जब तक कि मैं ना आऊं. Facebook को भी कहेंगे bye bye. Over and out from me, over to DJ AJ. See you all tomorrow. Bye bye.
You gonna play the song for me?